Before real estate, I worked in quality, and it is helping me as I transition into real estate to making sure that the homes I find for my clients will be of quality and meet their expectations and the things that they have showed me or told me that they would want in the home. I always wanted to be involved in real estate. I love to talk, I love to help people. So I took the classes and jumped into it. I love to talk, I love to socialize. Most importantly, I love to help people. So me becoming a real estate agent allows me to do all these things. Purchasing a home, especially for the first time, can be a very daunting task. So I'm looking forward to being that guy who can help prospective clients as they navigate through this journey. What I love about real estate is the freedom that it offers and also giving me opportunity to help people. When I think back to my first clients and watching them sign on that dotted line when they close on their property, the joy that I got from watching them do that after thinking about the process, where we started from and where we ended, I couldn't be more happy and more proud for them. Starting out in real estate, I could not imagine doing this on my own. The Capitol House sales team has helped me in every facet of starting my journey. They're there every step of the way. They are the #1 team in Ohio, #16 team in the country. I could not have think of a better place to start off. What I like most about working with clients is that in the market that we're in today, it's crazy, it's kind of hectic. So you have a whole lot of bids, helping them to know where to price their property, not too high, not too low. Being able to help them just navigate this crazy market during this time is very enjoyable for me. Outside of real estate, I am a husband and a father first. Big family man, I love family. We and my wife have 6 children together. Our last daughter is out of the house. She is a sophomore in college. As a family, we travel together. We're a big sports family. I had a son that played college football. My youngest daughter is playing right now college basketball. And we're just a close-knit group. So outside of that, I am truly a family man who loves and cherishes my family. So at the end of the day, I'm looking forward to this journey that I'm on. I'm looking forward to meeting clients, whether they want to buy or sell, and just helping as many people as I can possibly help.